Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is ReyAnn's 10-month update. I'm going to give you a rundown of all of her major milestones and how she's doing developmentally. These are my favorite videos to record because they are like a little video diary for her for when she gets older. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me, and let's get started. So to begin, ReyAnn is 28.5 inches long and is weighing 18 pounds, 14 ounces, and she currently has 8 teeth. She loves to eat, so those teeth come in very handy. If this girl is awake, she is always moving. She has mastered walking along the furniture, but isn't quite confident enough to walk just yet. Her favorite mode of getting around is still crawling for the time being. She loves to push around her push and play toy, as well as stand and push a metal cart that's in our living room. It's too cute, especially because the wheels squeak as she pushes it back and forth. She also really enjoys playing with most of her stuffed animals. There's a giant dinosaur that she just loves to face plant into, and her and Daddy play wrestle with it. It's so cute. She takes out every toy possible on a daily basis, and then when it's time for bed, she goes ahead and takes out every single book. I'm pretty sure she's looking for the perfect book to read or the perfect toy to play with. She also really enjoys playing in her little teepee with her stuffed animals. The first thing she does in the morning is goes in there and starts talking to them, and it is just the cutest thing in the whole wide world. Her favorite foods are currently oranges, and she still loves mango puree. She is a great eater though and doesn't really dislike any foods, so we've been trying new textures and new flavors, and everything's been going really well. She's also a really big fan of feeding her doggies, so we have to keep them away from her when it's time to eat. She is still extra excited every time she sees the kitty and loves crawling after her to try and catch her. Unfortunately, she hasn't been too successful. But some other weird things she loves to play with are her diapers. She thinks it's hilarious to throw them all around the room. And she also loves hangers, probably because it's the one thing that Mommy says she can't play with. The countdown to 1 year has already begun, and let me tell you, Mom is not quite okay. ReyAnn is just growing so fast, but one thing I'm super grateful for is the fact that I get all this extra time at home with her, so I'm soaking in every single moment I can. Is for sure, we love our little daredevil. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll have another video live on Friday. Bye.
Here's the baby.
For a penny
but they've all gone out the window of this.